Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, we will look at the process to create offline file of the details required for generating an e-invoice. Tally Prime comes with a feature to generate e-invoice online without manual intervention. However, you can also generate IRN information for invoices offline. You can use the offline generation feature when you do not want to use the online generation option or when the internet is not available in the system on which you are using Tally Prime. Tally Prime creates the offline files in the prescribed format and size limit. If the data size is more than 2 MB, the information is split into multiple files, each of which will be less than 2 MB. You can create the offline files at any point in time. Let us see how to create the offline files. Go to Exchange in the top menu and select Send for e-Invoicing. In the Send for e-Invoicing screen, click Offline Export if you want to send all transactions listed. In case specific transactions are to be sent, select the transactions under for IRN generation or transactions under for IRN cancellation. You can also select transactions across both categories. Click Offline Export or press X. A message appears with the details of the number of invoices sent for e-invoice generation and cancellation. Click Yes to continue. Tally Prime will create the JSON file containing voucher details for e-invoicing in the default folder path. You can change it by clicking Configure. Press Enter and choose the path. Press Ctrl A to save. Click Send. JSON files will be generated at the specified path. You can log in to the e-invoice portal and upload the file to generate IRN information for the vouchers available in the JSON file. Click Bulk Upload. Browse the JSON files and upload. Now you will get an Excel file with IRN information for all the vouchers in the JSON file. The IRN, ACK number and ACK date thus obtained in the portal need to be updated back to the respective vouchers. You can navigate to e-invoice report to update the information to the vouchers. Press Alt-G. Open e-invoice report. In the Exported section, click for IRN generation. Select the voucher for which you want to update the information and click Manually Update IRN info. Enter IRN, ACK number and ACK date. Press Ctrl A to save. The IRN info is updated in the voucher. In this case, the QR code will not be printed in the voucher. However, if you want the QR code to be printed, select the voucher and click Get IRN Info. A confirmation screen appears. Click Yes. Enter your login credentials and press Enter. The IRN details will be downloaded and updated in the voucher. When you print the voucher, you will get the QR code. Thank you. For more details, visit help.tallysolutions.com.